tapping, Grampy?
Well, I got the big pink hand, see?
Oh,
Pink
nice.
polka dots?
Pretty.
Okay, let's try them on. Oh boy, I tell you, it's hard to get your heel in there, May. Push.
You just gotta kind of work it back and forth, I guess.
Oh.
You get it?
Would help if I took the paper out.
All right, that might help. Silly nanny.
Silly nanny, I
Yeah.
forgot the paper.
She got the big time runny nose.
Yeah, she's got a runny nose.
Oh, there, now you got some room for your feet.
Okay, wait
Don't
a
you?
minute. Wait a minute. You gonna go try out your new shoes?
Oh boy.
Okay, runny nose. See if you can walk in them.
Nice. All right, May.
Look,
Thank you.
go show Kiki your shoes.
Go show Kiki.
Can you show Kiki? Oh, she's tiptoeing. Yeah.
She needs a. Yeah.
Thank you.
Car.
Them shoes.
Oh boy,
Try
nice
out your new pink
shoes.
shoes. Look at them.
Oh boy.
Bogey. Nice shoes.
Get her over here.
Whoa, they're polka dot. Polka dot shoes.
Nice. Go show Nanny. Come show Nanny. Come on. Doggy. Come show Nanny your shoes.
Can you dance in those shoes? Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Can you tap dance? Show me how you dance in your shoes.
Oh boy. Yeah.
Trying to put your foot in the shoe. Huh. It does fit. Trying to put your foot in the shoe. Shoes.
Shoe. Shoe.
You like that shoe? Okay. I think they're gonna fit. Can you give me the scissors to cut these off?